tape? Measuring tape? I bet you that makes noise. Is there an on-off switch on the toolkit? Is there a button? Is it on the bottom? Turn it over. What happens if you put one of the tools in? No? No noise? No. Oh, okay. Hi, birthday boy.
I had a birthday last night.
Last night?
Yep.
And you had a party today.
And I had a birthday and a party.
Yeah, and you got lots of cool stuff. And you got a cake.
And I got a Beyblade.
You got a what?
And I got a Beyblade.
And you got to see your friend, huh? Are you excited Coby came?
Yep. And he got it for me.
Yeah?
Yep.
And he got you a whistle?
Yep.
Well, guess he didn't want to stay in chat. Do you want me to check if there's a button? I think that makes noise.
Oh, not making noise.
Yeah, look on the side. There's speakers. You see the speaker on the side?
There's no speaker.
Yeah, right there. You see it? No, you don't talk into it.
No
Noise comes out of it.
button.
There's a button somewhere.
No, not a button.
Yeah.
I don't have buttons.
Do you want me to find the button for you?
Yeah.
Bring it here.
Oh, wait.
I really think it makes noise. You and your OCD. Coby, do you have OCD?
No, I don't have a GED.
You don't have a GED? I said OCD. Do you have OCD? Do you have OCD?
I don't have OCD.
No OCD? I think you might.
You just got my DS in here.
Yes, I have your DS in here. Get me to check and see if that has an on-off button.
We didn't get the tools out.
You taking them all back out?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? You know how?
I told you.
I think we should get to work. Not gonna put in the babies.
I told you I had a speaker. That's funny. Did it scare you?
No.
Did it startle you?
No.
I think it did.
The one like this one, and this one, and this one.
Yeah?
They both match.
Is that a button?
Nope.
Is that how it made noise as you pushed it? It is.
Let's hurry and get to work. Muy rápido.
all the tools back in and push the button and see what happens? There's a picture that shows where it goes. Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it makes noise. When you turn it, it makes noise. Other way. Other way. See? Sounds like a ratchet. What's that one in your hand?
A tape.
A measuring tape?
Yep.
Yep. Now what's in your hand?
A thing. And I don't know who that guy is.
Oh, well, I don't know his name either. What's that?
A teacher.
Hmm?
Like a teacher.
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 T-shirt?
No.
No? Not a t-shirt?
T-shirt.
Okay, if you say so.
Not a t-shirt. It's a thing like a teach somebody. Like this. It's good here.
Look, looks like it's talking.